Hey everyone, got you down here in my basement today. Yeah, it's a dungeon. That's what the kids call this area, the dungeon. It's the laundry room, unfinished, kind of dirty. I cleaned up a corner though and set up some shelves and got all my hats up here. This is a spot where I'm going to create hats, put patches on hats and see if I can sell any, which brings me to our sponsor of this video. Kind of is me, but it's also our little business, our side business, Tailored Creations. So if you're interested in any of these kind of hats, like fish hats, I got crappie, bass, catfish, some different colors and things like that. I'll pop them up here on the screen. You can see a bunch of them. If you're interested in any of those, go to our website, tailoredcreations.us, and I'll leave a link down below. You can just click on it if you want. It'll take you right to the hats. And the hats are free shipping to the United States. So just letting you know that. Go ahead and get you one or two or three. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. So what this video is about is not hats. It's about fans. Not you guys. I know you're my fans. I'm talking about fans that blow air on you, because down here it's not really like hot, but it's stagnant, and it just, I'm sweating just standing here. So I bought a fan and I'm limited on space, so I wanted to get one that I thought I could hang from the ceiling. I don't know if I can, but I'm going to try. But it's a 14-inch fan. It's supposed to be wall mounted. It says wall fan, but I think you can hang it from the ceiling too, which is what I think I want to do. So I'm going to take it out of the box and we're going to see if we can put it where I want to put it. And then we're going to see how it works, and then you'll know if you want this fan. That's a nice little fan so far. It's got metal blades. That's what I like about these BILT HARDs. I don't know. To me, it seems like the metal blades put out a little more air. Maybe they don't. I don't know. It comes with several different fasteners. You got that lag screw. You got a big lag screw. You got a big plastic anchor. You got a smaller plastic anchor. I guess it depends on what you're going in. You can decide. You got some bolts. This is a simple installation. All it is a hole in the top, and I'll pre-drill a hole in the floor joist, put it where I think I want it, hang it, plug it in, turn it on. I'm not going to bore you with that. Pre-drill a hole, put the lag in, plug it in, you're ready to go. So I'm going to put it on, and then I'll come back and we'll test it as soon as I get back. Great. It's got the big head on there. I can't plug it in there because of that one. I can't switch them. Tell you what I'm going to do temporarily. All right, I can't find the little adapter, so for now I'm going to use an extension cord. Plug it in. But for some reason, either the extension cord's not working, or this needs to be reset, probably. It's got a GFI on there. It's not plugged in, so it probably won't reset. There we go. So I had to reset. Keep that in mind if you get one of these and it doesn't work. Woo, look at all the cobwebs. It's snowing. Oh yeah. That puts out some nice air, just like my other one did. I don't know what speed that's on. Oh, there's high. It's going to take a while to blow all this dust out of the basement, but so we got low, which is probably where I'll have it the most. I'm guessing medium. I don't know if this is 3-speed. I think it is. High. Yeah, that's going to help a lot. Can you all feel that? That feels really good. Oh, that just helps so much. Just air movement. Anyway, right now my first impressions are I love this fan already. Puts out good air. Really good air. For a 14-inch, it's putting out a lot of air, and I'm on medium. So actually I was on high. But I know low is going to be enough for me down here. Yeah. That's really good. No regrets. If it lasts anything like the other BILT HARD fan I got, it's going to be around for a while. and this is really going to help me out down here. Hey, if you're interested in this fan, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you're interested in any of these hats, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I pray that God bless you. I hope you have a wonderful day.